Dear students, we will carry on the Unit 9 Psychology and Sports for class 12th of Physical Education. In this unit, we will carry on the topic personality development through sports or games activities. Through these points, we are trying to understand how to develop the personality through the games and sports activities. At first, we will take the point improves management skills. So, in this point, if an individual has take part in the sports or games activities, then that individual has improves their management skills, because while the sports or games activities, the individual can manage themselves and their teams also. So how they have to manage of the various type of the situation or various type of the stressful situations, how they have to be managed. On that time, the individual has learned how to manage the situations. So from that sports or games activities, the individual can improve their management skills. Second one, develops the creativity. While sports or games activity, when individual has just feel different type of the alertness to win the competition or to win the match also, and the individual is also try to take part just like as an adventure or as a risk while the sports or games activity. Then on that time, the different type of the creativity and different type of the creative plans or different type of the creative strategies he has to be applied, and then on the behalf of that, the individual may success in their activities of sports or games. So through this, that the individual develops their creativity. Next point is inculcate moral values. Through the participation in the games and sports, any individual has tried to improve their moral values, like that sympathy, cooperation, truthfulness, honesty. These type of the moral qualities has developed while the participating in the games and sports activities. So through these points, we are able to know how to develop the personality through the games and sports. Thank you.